How to develop self-confidence through probability. Tara, pag-usapan natin. Lagi natin sinasabi as a trader na ang trading is about probability game. Walang certain dito. Pero karamihan, medyo hindi nila nagigit paano ba nag-work yung probability. Let's try to simplify it in this way. Ang probability is basically chance that something will happen. Bigyan muna natin ng analogy. The probability of the spinner landing on blue. Tignan natin etong unang spinner natin. Siyempre, dito, impossible. Kasi wala namang blue eh. Lahat white. Dito naman sa pangalawang spinner natin, may kita natin meron tayong 5 white and isa lang yung blue. Ibig sabihin, this is low probable. 16% lang yung chance. Sa third spinner natin, medyo tumaas na siya kasi dalawa na yung blue, tapos 4 pa rin yung white, kaya low probable pa rin siya. And on our fourth spinner naman, may kita natin even na yung chance kasi 3 yung blue, 3 rin yung white. Para na lang siyang tao o ibon. Para siyang flip coin. And syempre, on our last part is 5 na yung blue, isa lang yung white, kaya high probable siya. As a trader, kailangan natin ma-identify kung ano ba yung high probable. Ano ba yung mataas yung chance na mangyari. Once na ma-identify na natin eto, tatanggalin lang natin ano yung low probable. Ibig sabihin, as a trader, kailangan talaga natin mag-backtest. Kailangan natin malaman ano yung hindi gumagana, ano yung minsan lang gumana, then ano yung 50-50, then ano yung madalas gumana. Buburahin natin to, and we're going to only execute this one. Pero ang problema natin as a trader is we base our probability with what we saw or heard. Kung ano yung sinabi ng iba, kung ano yung napanood mo, this is 90% chance, this is 80% win rate. Without backtesting it, paano kung sa kanya gumagana pero on your end, hindi pala siya working? Pangalawa, we keep searching high probable trade outside but not inside. Minsan iniisip natin na maybe kulang pa yung knowledge, maybe kulang pa yung natutunan ko in trading. What if kulang ka lang sa practice, kulang ka lang sa backtest? Kaya instead na malaman mo kung ano yung high probable sa'yo, ang dami mong alam na strategy. Alam mo yung patterns, alam mo yung support and resistance, trend lines, marunong ka na lahat. Marunong ka ng RSI, and even complex katulad ng harmonic or even Elliott wave, SMC, ICT at kung ano pa. Pero anong nangyari, nagkaroon ka lang ng analysis paralysis. Parang habang nililinaw, mas lalo siyang lumabo. And last, we are looking in the wrong way. Ayun nga, gaya ng sinabi natin, hanap tayo ng hanap sa labas. Pero what if yung sagot pala on your trading confidence is nasa loob mo na. Papracticein mo na lang, aalimin mo na lang yung win rate, aalamin mo na lang kailan siya lalabas para alam mo kung kailan siya aabangan and i-execute mo na lang siya. The reason kung bakit hanap tayo ng hanap on the external part because ayaw natin ng accountability. Gusto natin na meron tayong masisisi. Ito kasi sinabi ng pinanood ko, hindi naman pala totoo. Ito pala sinabi ng coach, hindi naman pala totoo. And don't worry guys, that is normal. Because our mind is developed in certainty. Our mind is developed as fear-based and it's always been that way. There is no other way guys. Hindi natin pwedeng palitan yung utak natin. Ang pwede lang natin gawin is i-regulate natin yung fear natin. Paano ba natin i-build yung trading confidence natin? Focus on building your own game. The reason kung bakit boring yung backtesting at practice sa'yo, kasi you are not gamifying your progress. Kaya instead of this, sample lang natin, try to do this. Instead of heroes, ano yung mga trade setup na nagwo-work sa'yo? Sa breakout, try mong gumawa ng setup 1, setup 2, setup 3. Ano yung mga rules? Ano yung average win rate? Ano yung average risk to reward ratio? And ano yung average holding time mo on that trade setup? This is important para alam mo kung i-hold mo ba siya or pwede ka na mag-take profit tapos mag-iwan ka na lang ng konti. That's simple trade management. Then, gawan din natin yung pullback. Then, gawan natin yung reversal. Ito yung example natin dito. May kita natin, yung win rate niya is iba-iba. May mga hero na mataas siya na win rate and may mga hero na mababa yung win rate niya. Ayun nga, ang goal nga natin dito is ma-identify ano yung high probable, then i-trim natin ano yung low probable. Pero paano natin gagawin yon? Paano tayo gagawa ng setup? Backtest each setup. If you're going to backtest a trading setup, isa-isa lang. Tapos sulat mo yung rule. Kunyari, breakout. Ano yung rules mo? Ano gagawin mo pag nag-fake yung breakout? Nag-extend yung consolidation? How will you know? Ano yung rule mo on holding that trade? Then, average win rate. Gaano ka kadalas manalo? Ano yung average risk to reward mo on that time? Gaano mo siya katagal hinuhold? From here, front test natin with small account. Pangatlo, i-journal natin yung performance natin. Ang underrated lang dito is journaling your state of mind. Ano yung nararamdaman mo habang gumagawa ka ng trading plan? and ano yung naramdaman mo during execution. And that's it, guys. The only way to trade confidently is not being certain with the outcome, but being certain with yourself. Kaya naman kung may nakuha kang value sa video na to, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and mag-join na rin kayo sa Discord natin. And let's go through as we go through. Peace.